Welcome back to another tutorial of Excel is Easy with Nav. In today's video, we're going to explore the power of conditional formatting in Excel. Rather than being just a formatting tool, conditional formatting works as an analytical tool as well. It can save you a lot of time and make your data analysis more efficient. It helps you quickly identify trends, patterns, and outliers in your data. Let's dive in and see how it works. Conditional formatting allows you to automatically apply formatting to cells based on specific criteria. This means you can highlight important data, visualize data ranges, and categorize information without manually formatting each cell. It's a huge time saver and makes your data much easier to interpret. For this tutorial, we'll use a sales performance dataset. Here's a quick look at our data. We'll use this dataset to demonstrate various conditional formatting options. Let's start with highlight cells rules. These rules allow you to highlight cells that meet specific criteria. For example, we can highlight cells in the total sales column that are greater than 75,000. Select the total sales column. Go to the Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting, choose Highlight Cells Rules, and select Greater Than. Enter 75,000 and choose a formatting style. Just not that, you can also use other highlighting options such as less than, between, equal to, text that contain, a date occurring, and even duplicate values, which would allow you to identify repetition in the dataset. Next, let's look at top-bottom rules. These rules help you identify the highest and lowest values in your data. For example, we can highlight the bottom 10% sales figures in the Sales Q4 column. Select the Sales Q4 column. Go to Conditional Formatting, choose Top and Bottom Rules, and select Bottom 10% items. Choose a formatting style to apply. Similarly, you can choose other top or bottom options to format the cell as you may require. Apart from highlighting and top and bottom rules, you can also choose data bars formatting, color scales, and icon sets, whichever option is the most useful in a given situation. That's it for today's video. We've explored various conditional formatting options in Excel, including highlight cells rules, top-bottom rules, data bars, color scales, and icon sets. Practice these techniques to make your data analysis more efficient and visually appealing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. See you next time.